Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a Z press with a barbell. All right, so let's talk about our setup. When we do our Z press, we want to be in this L-shaped position with our legs straight out in front of us on the floor. Our back is going to be upright, and that's what's going to take priority here. We don't want to lean back. We don't want to slump. We want to make sure that we are staying super upright, so our abs are going to be working really hard for us here. We will begin with our barbell in our front rack position. My shoulders are protruding forward to give me a shelf, and my thumbs are wrapped around the barbell to create as much stability as possible. From here, we are simply going to press our barbell directly overhead, bringing our head out of the way of the path of the barbell so that the bar can go directly up and down. We don't want the bar to come out in front of us and then around. That's not the most efficient movement possible. We want to go straight up and down, locking out with the biceps by the ears. There's a lot of core work involved in this, lots of upper body strengthening as well. So for more upper body, core building, and total body strengthening exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.